Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the last section, we actually did setup for React Native, right? We did it with Expo. So as you can see in my screen, we have an empty project over here. So let's go away from Expo and let's see what we're going to build in this throughout this course. We'll be building the UI of Instagram homepage, right? So this is something we'll be building. As you can see over here, this is the screenshot of a Instagram homepage, right? And we'll be trying to replicate this using our React Native code. Now, let's break down this UI and see what we're going to deal with. We can break it down in such a way that there are three sections, no, not three, four sections in this screen. The first section could be the header section, right? The header section would contain what? An icon over here, a camera icon over here, followed by a chat icon. So this would be one section, heading section, header section. And then following that, we have a story section where we have a text, a few icons, and this would be scrollable. This would be horizontally scrollable, right? So now this will be what? Story section. Following that, we have the main content of the app, which is a feed section, where we'll have a text, an image, some icons, and then some more text. After that, we have the bottom navigation bar, where we have 5 icons over here. So we'll be trying to replicate this throughout this course. And in the next video, we'll be trying to create the top header. Now before we go to that, let me give you a quick understanding of some of the elements and some of the things in React Native. We'll quickly refer to the documentation. Okay. So as you can see, you can go to this link over here, reactnative.dev/docs, and you can see all the elements that React Native gives us out of the box that we can use simply. We can let's take an example of one such element, which is text. If we go to text, we can see how it can be used, a small example of how it behaves, and all of its properties listed on the right side. We'll go through this detail by detail in the coming videos, but just understand that if you have any doubts with respect to certain components or elements which we are using in this project, and if you don't understand it well, let's say I use text in one of the videos and you didn't understand text well, or some of the things we didn't cover in that video, you can just simply refer this documentation and you can go to these properties and see what this particular element or component is capable of. So in the next video, we'll start building the header section of the Instagram UI. Until then, thank you.